Today my practical is saving black bean from flour. So first we have a tray, a black bean, flour, spoon, bowl, towel, and strainer. So first we have to wear a bra. So now we are done wearing. So we're gonna pour the black bean to flour and we use spoon to mix it. So everything is done. So we're gonna use a big bowl. So now we're done. I'm gonna